Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Hey, good morning, Jerry. Anonymous Futures Trader, Indie Scalper, Big Al, Kid Poker, Ron, Bing, Samir, good morning. Op, Dom Dom, good morning. How's everyone doing? Everybody ready to have a good day? Everybody ready to have a good day? I am. Good morning, SW Blaze. Good morning. Let's hope we have a nice trendy market today. I would be ready for a nice uptrending or downtrending. I don't even care. Market all day long with some pullbacks here and there. I'd be down. I want a market where I can just go long or short and then just walk away. Yeah, we need something better than yesterday. That's exactly right, Jerry. 100%. Hey, good morning from Milan. Wow. I am what I am. Good morning. Mickey Lee, good morning. News. We have news at 10 o'clock. News at 10 o'clock. ISM manufacturing PMI, so should be a market mover. So everybody be careful around 10 o'clock. All right, everybody knows what time it is. You know what time it is. It's Nutty Bar time. The most important time of the morning. Hey, already good day. Hey, let's go, Indy. Oh no, Jerry. No. That's not what we like. Hey, good morning, Travis. Good morning, patient trader. Let's go. I really I really do need a sponsorship with Nutty Bars. Somehow got to make a way to happen. I'm promoting them on a daily basis. And a gallon of coffee. I hear you on that, Jerry. Loud and clear. Exactly, Noah Parks. How can you not be hungry for a Nutty Bar right now? Well, folks, the Apex 80% discount sale is over. I actually thought there's a chance they might extend that sale. What is the Nutty Bar called? It's actually Nutty Buddy is technically the name of it. You know what? Maybe I need to put a link for the Amazon, like an Amazon link to Nutty Bars in my somewhere in my description. Market making a little bit of a reversal here this morning. As you can see, the overnight session. By the way, oh wait, one day on the stream, your son came in when you were gone and he smelled your coffee and cringed. That sounds about right, Travis. Yeah, it's 50% off now. Good morning, Matterman. Maybe I will do that, Esther. I'll get an Amazon link for Nutty Buddies. And I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Give me a second. I do drop shipping for Nutty Bars. Maybe if we start selling out Nutty Buddies on Amazon, it'll get their attention. They'll be like, where's this coming from? And I can tell them it's from me. I need a sponsor. A Nutty Bar cupcake? That sounds good. No, I'm not changing my code again. Can you imagine Apex support? Apex support already hates me also, you know. FYI, Apex support does not like me. They actually, like, no lie, this is no lie. They actually threatened Apex support. I mean, I was a little upset at them because it's a long story, but they didn't threaten me, but they kind of were like, they don't like me. Let's just put it that way. They hate everyone. Yeah, they might. The reason they don't like me is I was reaching out to John and Daryl because I would reach out to support sometimes and I wouldn't get a response. So I'd reach out to Daryl and John. Then I'd get a response. They did not seem to appreciate that at all. They said if I basically gave me a warning. How old I was when I discovered Nutty Bars? Probably like 15. I remember when I was my first job I ever had. My first job I ever had. In the morning, they had a vending machine, and I'd get my coffee in the morning for first break, and then I would always get a nutty bar to eat with my coffee. They were 50 cents. That was my and that's where it started. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Exactly. 25 years later. I wonder how many Nutty Bars I've eaten in my life. It'd probably be pretty disgusting to know how many I've eaten. Probably a semi-load of them. But you know what? A man's got to do what a man's got to do. Good morning, Traders Chick. Good morning, Trading Insights. Good morning. Let's get these payouts approved. I'm down. By the way, I wanted to double check something. I'm muted. Urgh! Thanks, Jerry. my daily mute. So I was saying while I was muted. Let's watch what the market does here at the open. All right. So I discovered something unfortunate. I think I possibly made a mistake. So Apex put out an email just kind of summarizing how the month of July was. And in that email, they were saying how they had a record payout amount of 5.4 million. And I'm like, that's weird. That's not the number that I got when I did my summary report for the payout month. So I'm not sure what happened. But I went back and just redid all the data. I redid all the data for the month of July, and now I come up with 5.4 million, like they said, which, oh man. So somehow my data was wrong on my original video for the top 10 payouts for the month of July. Feels bad. Which means now I need to almost redo that. You're switching to Quant Tower. I am what I am. Same. No, I already switched to Quant Tower. I never used Trade-Evade. I use Quant Tower just on some of my stuff. Most of it I use NinjaTrader. Yeah, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna do a comparison, Matterman. I'm gonna do a comparison to see if when I copied all the data from their website, it was like right at the end of the pay week, and it could be that they hadn't had everything uploaded. Like it could be, and maybe in the future I need to give it a little bit more time so that they have all the information on the website for their payouts. So yeah, kind of sad. Now So I almost need to redo that video. A correction video is incoming. Oh, man. Oh, I didn't want to do a correction video. But I don't want to have bad information out there. Hey, nicely done, Jin. Yeah, PMI at 10 o'clock. Well, I guess 9:45. There's a little bit of news too, but I don't think that's going to move it much. All right, we're just kind of not a whole lot happening here this morning, but made a move up to 800. Can't seem to get above 800 right now. News today. 10 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock news. The note trading Apex PAs. You mean for the news? Because of the news? I guess not. At least not the initial burst. I'm going to spend some time to try and figure out trying to figure out where I went wrong on my data. Hmm? Ooh, big rejection right there. All right, here we go. We're going to try and get through the 800s right here. All right, let's see if it can do it. Keeps trying and failing. And yep, nope. Tried again and failed. Keeps failing. Hey, live trading, good morning. All right, let's see if it gets through the 800s here. It's trying. It's trying, but it just can't seem to quite get through it. Yeah, Samir, I agree. And let's see if this holds. It broke 800s barely. Immediately pulled back. Hey, there we go above 800. And then we pull right back. Lots of fake outs here. All the way back to the 80s. News in 13 minutes. And back up we go. Man, interesting if this 80 can hold. This 80 can hold. Yeah, anonymous futures. It is kind of right now. It looks like the market isn't changed much from yesterday, but I'm hoping it's just because news is coming out in 10 minutes. Hopefully that's why. And now looks like we might be And now we're going up again for a minute. Oh, wow. Tika. Yep, 10 a.m. news, 10 a.m. news, guys. News coming out in about 7 minutes, so be careful. And back down we go. Please, let's not have a day like we had. Let's not, please. Well, we lost that 780 support. See what we do here. We're just chopping right here in this range until news. Uh, All right, news in about 1 minute and 20 seconds, fellas. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, man, I'm redoing my spreadsheet. Still not quite sure what happened. I'm assuming that it was just a matter of bad timing. I imported or exported out of Apex site at the wrong time, as it looks like there were a lot of transactions, a lot of payouts from that last week that on my original export I didn't get it. All right, news in 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Everybody be careful. News in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Boom. News is out. News is out. Market didn't move. Market hasn't moved. What in the world is going on here, folks? Looks like we're going higher. Nope, we're going lower, going higher, and going lower. Yeah, this is brutal. Hey, good morning, Kyle. What are you gonna do, market? Up and down, up and down. Same as yesterday. Pick a direction and let's go. Ah, this is brutal. Pick a direction and go, market. Just do it. Now go. Just go. Rip higher if you need to. I mean, need this thing to break out of this range. Okay. All right. Maybe here. All right. Let's see if we can get above this. Needs to get above the 803. Like, break above VWAP here. It's got to go. Hey, there we go. Maybe. Hey, there it goes. All right, now maybe we can pick a direction here and this thing can rip. 815s now. He would. All right, now we pull back. Might mean if we pull back, test this VWAP, maybe we keep ripping. Thinking about entering here. This is kind of a risky play, but if we come back and test this 800 and then hold it. Now it just keeps pulling back. All right, a little bit risky here, but we're going to do it. Man, I need this thing to hold. 800s need to hold here. Nope, never mind. Trying to catch a bounce, just no luck. Whoa! Guys, we have great news. We have great news. I forgot that I was on my sim account. I was on my sim account when I took that trade. I feel like I just got a good second chance here. We lost $48 on the sim account. All right. Let me double check, make sure my trade copy or everything is working the way it should. I'm pretty sure it is, but yes, we are good to go. All right. I might take another stab at this. Now it just can't keep going. It just seems like it can't get going. I'm going to wait. Hey, maybe I needed to start doing that every day. I'll just use I'll make my first trade on my sim account. It seems like I'm usually on the wrong. All right, let's see if we can keep going here. Come on. Rip it. All right, I'm going to take my first profit here. If I can get filled, thank you. Stop right below break even. And we're going to see if we can't get a runner. Nope, we're not going to. Or it doesn't look like it. Come on. Does not seem to have the juice needed. Go. Go, 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 go. And stopped out. Oh well. Small win. Small win. Might try it again here if I like what I see. As long as we keep holding on the 800s here, then I like along here. Come on. Okay. Wow. All right. That's not ideal. All right. Does not feel like it wants to keep going higher. I get it, market. I get it. It's again just kind of messy this morning. Kind of messy like it was yesterday. And now we're selling off. We're pulling back. Below, now we're at the 790s. Hey, FEB, did you read the comment on your video? I did, FEB. I wasn't quite sure what you meant. And we go down, down, down. Wow, what a... Woo, this is pulling back quite a bit here. Comment section on Thursday dropped a golden nugget for you to pick up. Okay, I'll go back and see if I can find it. It's sometimes I don't see all the comments. Wow, let's go, Trading Insights. That sounds like a good time to call it a day. Oh, wow. Look at this sell-off. Who said only shorts? Someone in here was always saying shorts only. Whoever it was, congrats. Nice trade. Okay, we're only looking for shorts now. I believe. I was thinking we might rip higher, but that does not appear to be the case. And I will believe it. Where will this thing bounce? Anybody want to predict if we're going to go are we going down today? Or is this just a buying opportunity? V-shaped reversals. V-shaped reversals. They're everywhere. In the bottom of a smaller balance area. Yeah. Looks like we're selling off. Wow. We keep going, man. A little bit of a fake out there. Back up we go. Yay, look at this thing rip. Okay. This is kind of the area I was looking at, the 70s, basically 70s. If we get to the 70s and maybe taking a short here. I mean, if this is a V-shaped reversal again, I guess we're just going to be, you know, we're just going to be wrong. Ow, I didn't get my stop. I didn't get my profit moved in time. It ripped so fast, it took me out before I was ready. What is that? We're not going to complain about that, though. Man, oh man. Didn't get my target moved in time. But that was a good... I like that play. Got right up to the 64s. I mean, I could have had a way better entry here, but this was kind of a confirmation entry right here. Just, regardless, we'll take it. I'm looking only for shorts. Any pullbacks, I'm going to short it. And if it's a V-shaped reversal, we're just going to be wrong. And I'm okay being wrong. This thing might just be a selling off today. We'll take it. I'm going to give... Oh, okay. I don't like that. Trying to give it some room here. I was way too eager on that entry. Way too eager. I need to get... This is not ideal. Yeah, this was a bad trade. This was a bad trade. Terrible trade. Terrible trade. Way too aggressive. Way too aggressive. What was I thinking? Of course, we're just going to rip higher. way too impatient on that second entry. Just terrible. A 1 of 10 on that trade. That was a 1 of 10. This is closer to where I should have been looking for a short entry right here, somewhere in this. But if we go above the 65s, then I don't really trust it. Could be our V-shaped reversal here. Crazy market. Really? Oh. Man, if this thing is another V-shaped reversal, you gotta be kidding me. If we get taken out, we get taken out. It just is what it is. I even got the shirt for it. I got the shirt for this. It is what it is. Oh, okay, market. I give up. I give up. Man, it just seems like it never fails. It just never fails. We have these big V-shaped reversals. I keep believing that it won't happen, and it just continues to happen. I guess that's on me. If this thing sells off now, I might have to start breaking some stuff. And there we go. Ripping higher. Because why not? I'll break my keyboard. I do need a new keyboard. I feel like I could use a new one, so maybe that's the first thing that'll go. Oh, man. What is the definition of insanity? Hmm. Yeah, Alpine, same. I'm going insane. Hit all your goals on your funded accounts. Let's go, Black Beauty Machine. That's awesome. Yeah, right here, my 785. If we get here and we pull back, I'm going to short again. No one's going to be able to stop me either. Right here. Come back in. Come back in. Let me short you. And then we're just going to take it. We're going to have her stop. We're going to have her stop right here. And if we're wrong again, we're wrong. It's just... Oh. Yeah, this thing is... This thing is... Wow. All right. All right. All right. Wow. What can you do? If he gets through the 800s here. Hold it. Let's go, Jerry. Let's go. Nice, nice. Let's go. That's when it's fun. Love to see it. Love to see it. We... It just, I don't know why. I keep thinking that these V-shaped reversals won't just continue to happen, but they do. It just seems like I don't know, man. It is what it is. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Can you fill me in on the need to knows for you profit? I mean, yeah. What do you need to? What do you need to know? I actually wanted to look. Did they actually take off the U profit account from their option? Yeah, they did. The Freedom account is gone. Yeah, Mr. Push Up, shoot. What do you want to know? How many accounts can you have? I okay. So as far as how many accounts you can have, I think you can only have one. So you can only have a total of $200,000 worth of accounts at funded at the same time. So for the Freedom account, you can only have one, and I don't think you can trade copy. You can have more accounts, but then you can't copy trade them, from what I understand. Of course, we're just going higher, folks. Of course. Of course. One of these days, we're going to just do nothing all day but do play for V-shaped reversals. If you have put a Freedom account on your chart before the 31st and didn't, you can still check out. Oh, really, Samir? You found a glitch in the system. Yeah, so you can have as many, I guess, Freedom accounts as you want, but you can't use Copy Trader. I don't know how they regulate that. What was the difference about the Freedom? I saw it this morning, but guess I missed it. So basically, the Freedom account, you have a static drawdown of 145,000, and also on the evaluation, you only need to get $5,000 profit, and you have a $5,000 stop. So 1-to-1 risk to reward, but you do have a $2,500 daily loss limit. Literally just whoop, whoop. Because why not? All right, do we short the top here? We go back down. Anybody want to take that chance? MK, I believe you can. Yes. All right, market. Why don't you just keep going up? I know you want to. I still can't believe it. I should believe it, but I'm not sure I can. Hey, and we're breaking out. Or is it a fake out? Fake out, breakout. What? And now we're pulling back. Oh, here we go. Hold on, folks. Hold on. We only go higher. We only go up, folks. This is a known. This is known. This is a easy known fact. We only go up. Previous yesterday's high is sitting at the 829s. Not yesterday's highs. The overnight support 827s. The way it's going, we might get to 890. We might test the 890 900 area again today. The way this is going. All right, see, we pull back to the 800s again. This is probably just another V-shaped reversal. We'll probably come down and test the 740s again. Watch. ES failed VWAP. Ooh, I see that. Ooh, right to the tick. We're also 804 is the opening 15-minute range right here. Kind of interested. Possibly taking a long here, but man, I'm a little bit gun shy. This is another V-shaped reversal. I'm gonna lose my ish. Oh man. And I'm gonna take this long. My stop is below the 800s. If we can't hold that, I give up. If we can't, I give up. Really? Really, market? Hmm. Fail to get above this, I'm just gonna take my profit. Come on. Give it a go. Nice. Well, seems to be stalling here a little bit. Come on. All right, I'm just gonna take it. Take it. Hopefully get another, maybe another entry. Thank you, futures trader. Thank you, Cardi. And now we pull back. Right. I mean, if I like to see it pull back again, like to the 815s, if we pull back like 815, maybe take another long. I don't know. I'm I'm gun shy of these V-shaped reversals, but I gotta pull the trigger. I'm not always going to be right. It just is what it is. Oh man, there she goes. It's gonna go without me on this one. Ooh, now we're pulling back again. Hmm. Oh, is this another... Ooh. Not done with its pull, with the pullback here. It is not done. Oh man, now it's gonna rip again. Lots of volatility here. You know what I want to do? You know what I want to do right now? I want to trade a V-shaped reversal here. Right here. Oh man. But I know it's not gonna, I don't know. It's not smart. I might. Oh. Pulling back. Now we lost 815 here. Pretty important level. We don't hold this. Just slowly bleeding out here. We need to get back above the 15s here. And I mean, we get above the 20s. We need to get above the 20s to really sustain this move. And there we go, 20s. That was pretty. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds. Nope. Doesn't look like it. And there we go. And right back down. Oh, this makes me want to short this really bad. There she goes. I just don't trust this move right now. I don't trust it. Yep, look at this. Now all the way back down. Should have just followed my I mean, this is where it's like technically this move here with this long wick and this body of candle. I mean, that's a long entry on a pullback for sure. I just don't trust it. Question is, why don't I mean, down we go. Below the 10s. Right back to the opening range. Or the, yeah, 804s. See if this holds. Hang on, I gotta take this call. I'm back. Let's go. I just received notice that I officially have my rhythmic or my 100K live account. So now that I'm on a live account, guys, I'm going to be able to move the market. Okay? So I'm going to coordinate with you guys when I enter trades on that account, then I'll make sure to let you know. I can move the market with my 3 contracts, I'm pretty sure. Should be fun. Should be fun. No, I forgot. Sorry, design. I forgot. The sim account is what moves the market. Hey, Ken made a huge mistake. Hold all night long. All right before the dump. Oh, feel your pain, Ken. I feel your pain. It's not going that great for me either. It's also not going. I don't think my Top Step account is going to survive. That 150K Top Step funded account, it's not looking good, folks. It is not looking good. Thankfully, my UProfit account is doing okay. But that took a hit this morning. Took some of the similar trades, not all of them, but just not. I just get killed, man. I get killed on these V-shaped reversals, and I don't know. I don't know what to do about it. Why you don't go super slow on your funded account, Garcia? I mean, I'm going super slow on my Apex accounts. So my 20 Apex accounts are the accounts I'm going to go super slow on. My UProfit, my Top Step, I wasn't going to go slow on those. I'm basically trading one to two minis. And it is what it is. Hey, Tar Heel, let's go. Good morning. How I settle on a 2-minute time frame? Hang on. I basically just looking at something that's similar to 1,000 tick chart is kind of where I settle on a 2-minute. Hey, Tar Heel, how we doing? How goes the good fight? Today, I need you, Tar Heel. I need you today. I'm not seeing the market well. I need you to tell me what's going to happen, okay? Did I catch that monster bounce, Tar Heel? No, I did not. If you see me trading this, let's just pretend. We'll just pretend I was wrong. No, I did not. I caught that. I caught this bounce. Yes, I did. I caught it. The only problem was I was going short, not long. And it's not going to help me by you telling me that that was a bad idea, okay? I knew what was going to happen. I would be a billionaire. Oh, okay. I mean, the first time you were here, you were predicting the market with some boldness. But I appreciate that, Tar Heel. How did you get your name? Oh man, you should have been here this morning when I started the stream. Then you would understand. Nutty Bars. I love Nutty Bars, you know? And I had this weird idea that I should just call my channel Nutty Bar Trading because why not? You know? Nutty Bars are the best snacks in the world. So I just thought, why not call myself Nutty Bar Trading? Here we are. Made most of it back. Well, that's good. I can't say the same. But right now we're just kind of in this range choppiness, but we keep trying to push higher and we fail and we fail. This is starting to get itchy for a short here. Starting to get itchy. Keep bouncing off the 800s or the 804s, 805s right here. Feel like if this, once this doesn't hold, if this 800, we're going to look out below, folks. Look out below. Probably go V-shaped reversal all the way back down to here. Because why not? NQ is Nutty Bar Trading. I almost feel like that's an insult somehow, but I'm not sure. The NQ is nuts. That is very true. Now I get it. That's very true. Especially today. I hate her. NQ needs has got serious issues. All right, let's see what happens. Are we going to just... Something's going to give here. Yeah, NQ has nutty candles. Exactly. And bars. Exactly, Alpine. First time you were here, you gave me 4 winning trades. Sorry if you came across arrogant. Didn't mean it. Just seeing you struggling, wanted to help. I appreciate that, Tar Heel. And we bounce right off the 802s again. Look at these long wicks. I'm starting to think maybe I should go long. keep bouncing hard on those. Just not sure I trust it. And let's see, back down we go, question mark. What is this? $8.38. Yeah, right here. I get on board with that. All right, this 802 isn't going to hold. I'm predicting it right now. It's just not going to happen. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th time. Ain't no shot. No shot this holds. No shot. Nope, not going to happen. We're going to get, oh, I knew it. There she blows. Right at VWAP now. Back up we go. Oh, this market is hilarious. And look at this. Back down we go. And now we're selling off. All right. Just melting lower, chopping sideways. Every time it's like, man, these bulls and bears are really putting up a fight. Lots of long wicks, but it seems like the bears are winning at the current time. Should we walk away? Maybe. See, here's the thing. Like I talked about in my weekly summary on Saturday, the worst thing for me to do right now is to end the stream. That's the worst thing that I can do right now. If you see me just ending the stream all of a sudden, that's not a good sign. That is not a good sign because that means tilt mode is about to be activated and we're going to go full scout mode and things are going to get real weird. We don't want that. We don't want that. If I keep streaming, I'll usually behave. Usually, not always. I have misbehaved on stream before, but through a trade, but you made $300. That's always the best kind of learning experience. I am what I am. Does the PA need to be traded every day? No, it doesn't, Trip Candy. I don't think they have a time limit on, if you don't trade it for a month. I haven't found anything that says that. If you stop the stream now, he'll never come here again. Thank you, Carpet. Now, that way I won't. I'm not ending stream, okay? Only time it's okay to end stream is if I actually have to, leave or, have a dentist appointment, etc. You like weird? I don't know if you do. I have been contemplating. I've actually thought about it. You know what? Maybe I need to do a poll. I actually wouldn't mind doing a poll on this question, even though ultimately it needs to be my decision. It needs to be my decision, but I actually am curious to get your guys' input on this take. So, we talked about this yesterday. But basically, I have, we have these 5 eval accounts. Oh, I just realized that my Rhythmic logged out. Hang on. Wait. No. Was I logged out of Rhythmic for a while? Anyway, but you can see these 5 accounts are all over the profit threshold. So those 5, so I've really been considering about basically taking my 5 accounts, my 5 PA accounts with the lowest balance. Oh, no, Jerry. No. Oh, man. I don't want to know, Jerry. I don't want to know. If I go full-blown nutty on the Top Step account, Joe, my Top Step account is not looking good. It's not looking good. My Top Step funded account feels like it's not been going well. My U-Profit account is going a lot better, but my Top Step account, let's just say it's on life support. Yeah, Doc Trades. Did anyone else find it interesting? And I want you guys to hear me loud and clear because I know there's viewers in here that also are big fans of Patrick. Okay, whatever, that's fine. But I want you to hear me loud and clear. I commend Patrick for what he did on his recent video. I think it was the video when he got stopped out for the day. And he actually shared a little bit about how much resets and that he blew his funded accounts. I mean, I knew he did because you could see that there were different account numbers. But he would just ignore messages and questions about it. And he did. He took a nice payout on those accounts, but then he blew them. Then he got 3 new ones. And yeah, he was sharing in that video kind of that he has gone through a lot of resets and has blown a lot of accounts. And anyway, I think that's great. That's definitely like a little more transparency, what I'm looking for or what I appreciate. Obviously, he can do how he wants, but I find it interesting that the day after Top Step came out with a new code of conduct policy for all of their partners. And part of that code of conduct policy is that if you're a partner and streaming, you have to be transparent with your trading. And they specifically said sharing your resets and blown accounts. So basically, so people understand the reality of trading. I see that. Market is ripping. Oh, snap. Well, I mean, I wouldn't have caught this move anyway. I was thinking more to the downside, so this is a nice breakout, though. Wow. I'm not going to chase this, but anyway, I found it interesting that, found it interesting of kind of when he shared that information, and then that the timing of it seems interesting. But I give a lot of prop and credit to Top Step for, changing their code of conduct. It's also in there very clearly about bullying, name calling, being discriminatory. Their partners, they're going to get. It even specifically calls out on that code of conduct that if you basically talk bad about other partners, the first violation is going to be a written warning. Second one is going to be a 60-day suspension. And the third one is a termination. So I don't know this for sure, but I'm pretty sure that most of his income is coming from Top Step. So I kind of expect things to continue. All right, see if this continues. It feels like it kind of died here. But this did hold. Basically, it bounced right off VWAP and bounced right off the 800s here. So we had a lot of support here to bounce. I could definitely see the reason to get long down there. I'm not doing it. How many accounts and resets did he do? I don't know that he specifically shared numbers, but he just kind of, I don't know that he was like a come clean kind of video. It was more just, hey, this is the reality of trading. And but it was I thought it was a great step in the right direction. I am what I am. That's interesting. You're trading much more aggressively on your new funded accounts. And you microed your way to losing all your PAs, trading scared. I feel you on that. I feel like that's still what I'm doing sometimes, and feel like I'm definitely sometimes trading scared or trading not to lose money. And I hate it. Trader from Slovenia. Who are we talking about? We're talking about Patrick. But in a good sense, okay? I'm giving him props. Yeah, I would agree, Soul. Was it 6K that he spent on wait, did he share that? I don't remember that. But maybe I missed that. All right, now we're pulling back again into this 815 range. Man, I was really hoping. I was hopeful that this market would pick a direction and actually just go. And now it's just looking like we're going to chop. Ugh. But it can change. We still got plenty of time in the day to break out. Yeah, Patrick doesn't trade scared. Yeah, he doesn't. No, but it's like, okay, that's part of my like thought process was, man, this market is crazy. It's really volatile to feel like. It's like for this time of day, we're at like it's 11:30. I feel like it's just really volatile. But back to what I was talking about was just trading scared and just like, and I know that part of my problem is, obviously you don't want to blow accounts, right? You don't want to, that pressure. You don't want to be blowing accounts, and it's just not good, But trading scared and just trading not to lose money is also not good. And I feel like I'm doing better trading only these two accounts, trading the micros. Like I'm doing better for sure. But there's still some of it there. Yeah, it's, what do you do? How many Top Step accounts? Private Idaho, how many he, I don't know. I'm not sure that he shared specific numbers. And even like, I'm not even like, I don't think that's bad. Like, it's not a diss. It's more just, I think it's just so important. I think it's so important for these top streamers to be transparent so that people that are new, like they're obviously people that are new, they're going to find the big channels first. And if they tune in and they see that and they don't see the reality of trading and they only see winning and they don't understand the blowing accounts, how all that can really accumulate, it's like that bothers me because it's not a fair assessment to them. Because then what happens, they get an account and then they blow an account and then they feel like, that they're the only one that's blowing accounts, and it's just not true. And I feel like people relate more. It's actually more relatable. If you go through failures and you show them and you're honest about it, most people can relate to it. I mean, I know in the online universe, everyone wants to come across as a genius and they never fail and but I think if we're honest, we all know we all fail. We all have failures. We all have those issues. And the more we talk about it and just be open about them and honest about them, I think that's how it can actually help you. You can learn from it. If you're just in denial, it's not going to help. Okay, Matterman. Yeah, sorry. I got completely sidetracked. 5 evals. So yes. So what I was talking about earlier, I'm terrible at staying on the subject, as you probably all know. So if I sort here by account balance, you can see here this account. So these 5 accounts were basically $1,000 in drawdown on those 5 accounts. So which means we have about $1,500 in drawdown remaining. And then obviously we have the 5 eval accounts. Now, obviously, I'm going to get a lot of comments. Back when I got these 5 evals, I had kind of committed that, hey, I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to keep him in case I need him. I get that, but I'm allowed to change my mind is what I'm saying. I'm allowed to change my mind. And I'm thinking about, I'm contemplating it of, hey, I'm going to just take these 5 accounts, be more aggressive on them, and kind of trade with no fear of losing. Like trade, and I'm going to assume those 5 accounts are gone, and it's just a benefit if I have, if everything goes well, it's a benefit, but enter it with the mindset of zero fear on those 5 accounts. We're not going to YOLO things, obviously, but we're going to trade either like 7 to 8 micros or 1 to 2 minis, depending what we see. And yeah, just really try and trade them like I trade my evals. I mean, I know that is something I have said repeatedly, and it's not quite that simple, but I think it's more about trading it with no fear of losing the accounts. Just, hey, we're just going to trade them. If we lose the accounts, so what? It is what it is. Like, we're just going to trade them, and if we lose them, it's okay. It isn't even about the next 5, but it's just, I don't know. That's something I've considering a little bit more, because we are getting close to where I'm going to have to pay that monthly fee again for all 5 accounts. And I'm like, okay, what's the point of this? Do I just cancel them? And then I'm thinking, if I just cancel them, it's kind of useless. It's kind of dumb just to cancel them. Anyway, are you sure you have zero fear on the current tier accounts? No, Carpet, I'm not. I was just saying, I was talking about that I still feel like, it's better, Carpet, but it's not that I still, I don't know. It's still sometimes there where I'm like, I might not take a trade, or I might not take an entry because it's that fear of losing is more prevalent than just trading the price action, and it is what it is. Yes, I did pay the one-time fee. And that's the catch. Like, this wouldn't come without a cost. Like, if I do this and blow those 5 accounts, it would come with a cost. So obviously, I understand that. It would be a $700 cost if I do it. So that is part of the equation. And that is part of, hey, I'm okay with that, is basically kind of where it's either that, like, to me, I'm either going to be okay with paying the $700 cost, or I'm just going to cancel all 5 of these eval accounts, because if I don't, I'm going to get charged $150 a month, just to keep them active. And either I'm going to use them, or I'm just going to cancel them and not pay that $150 a month. That's kind of the decision that I'm at, because I just don't think it's just not worth continuing to pay $150 a month for those 5 accounts just in case I need them. But man, this is just, again, just choppy. It's the opposite of a trending market. Trade 10 minis. No, we're not doing that. No, we're not doing a YOLO. That's not what I wanted. I'm not doing that. I'm just saying be aggressive and just almost change my mentality to, hey, these accounts are already gone, and whatever I make out of them is just a benefit. Why do you have to pay the $150 a month if it's a lifetime? No, Design. That's on the 5 evaluation accounts that I currently have passed, but they're only sitting at 6 days traded. So I'll get reoccurring $35 charge every month. $35 times 5 is $175 technically. So basically, I'd be paying $175 a month for something, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm like, Either I'm going to just cancel them and then they're going to disappear. It's going to hurt my soul a little bit to have 5 evals that are passed to just cancel them. Like, I don't know why that just doesn't feel right. But I feel like I'm either going to do that or I'm going to do the other. I'm going to do the trade the 5 accounts and just go for it. And so the other thing I thought about, okay, let's say we do the 5 accounts. We just take 5 PA accounts and we go a little more size and no fear. No fear. That's the mentality of this, is no fear. Zero fear. Then let's say it goes well and we get those accounts to 5,100 or 5,200. Then I stop trading those 5. And technically I could continue doing that to the next 5 if we continue to have that, zero fear mentality. But, why not just one account? I mean, we could break it up into 2s and 3s. Yeah, you could. That would definitely be an option as well. It wouldn't have to be all 5 at the same time, I guess. Unfounded warrior. Yeah, that's basically what I'm saying. Yeah, and I don't want a YOLO. That's not really what I'm wanting to. I don't want a YOLO. That's not it. Because I don't want a YOLO because that is not, like, that will help no one. I just want to trade with no fear. Okay, like, there's a difference. Like trading with zero fear and going in with the mentality. Okay, for example, have you ever had an evaluation account or a funded account and you're like $100 close to blowing the account? Right? Have you ever been there? You're $100 close to blowing that account. You've already accepted defeat. You've already accepted that this is over. You're going to blow this account. But if I'm trading with zero fear now, or if I'm trading with fear now, I mean, I feel like, yeah, I was actually discussing this with a friend last night. And if I'm being honest, yes, I do feel like I am sometimes trading with some fear. I do feel like I'm still struggling with that. At least I'm trading. When I'm trading my funded accounts, it is still way different than when I'm trading my evaluations. It's still way different. As much as I try it not to be, I can't lie to myself. It is. Now, I understand. Yeah, Jamil, exactly. I think just some time, and which is kind of what I'm trying to do now with just trading these 2 accounts. Fear is always there. Yes. But I think we can't allow it to control us. We can't allow the fear to control our decision making. And that's kind of where I'm struggling a little bit with it. Anyway, I almost want to do it. Let's do a poll. Just, I'm curious. I'll still make the final decision, but I'm genuinely curious. is going on here? Why can I not post? Oh. All right, let's see. I'd appreciate if you vote. If you don't want to vote, it's fine too. Actually, I should have made an option for I don't care. Oh, the choppiness is killing me. Where's the poll? Yeah, I just put it up. Trip Candy. Right, Chris. It does. It does. Okay, and I can do another. If you want me to, if you think I should just do one at a time, Jamil, I agreed, 100%, exactly. I like that is exactly how I feel. Like I need experience with the pressure. Exactly. Exactly. Don't worry about failing. Yeah. Yeah, and I could even group them in twos and twos and then one, or I could start out with one and then switch to twos and twos, but we don't need to trade all five at once. Probably not, probably way smarter just to do one and one or two and two. Yeah, and that's kind of what I would be looking at is just to trade them like they're evals. And in a sense, that is what I would do because, or I think I would, because again, with evals, I don't have any fear of losing. I don't have a fear of blowing those accounts because if I blow them, it's like, hey, I don't mind. It's not a big deal. So that's kind of what I'm hoping. And, maybe my thought process was maybe doing it this way and actually being successful. My hope would be that I trade without fear and then I'm successful doing it and I can see the progress. Like mentally, I think that would be such a big help for me just to be able to see what my mindset needs to be like when I'm trading funded accounts, so that I can carry that over, when I'm trading my other funded accounts. That's kind of my hope is to, I don't know, like get my brain in the correct mental space where I'm like, okay, yes, this is how I need to trade these accounts like all the time. And that's what kind of gets me excited about trying this because I feel like then that maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll jumpstart it to where, it gets me comfortable with trading, with that additional pressure, etc. That's very interesting. Thank you for sharing that, Jamil. Thank you for sharing that. I appreciate that. And I like, because, okay, that's where I feel like a lot of people, even myself, you know, to me, I'm like having 20 funded accounts. And again, if I was to do this over again, I wouldn't get 20 funded accounts. I would just start out with one or two and keep trading those one or two until I get a payout. And then I would continue adding accounts. Okay. Obviously, we're already here. So it is what it is. But it is good to hear, because in my mind, it's like no one has ever blown 20 funded accounts. Like that's kind of what you tell yourself. And you tell yourself that, oh, if you blow 20 funded accounts, you'll be the first guy that's ever done it. And even though I kind of know that's not true, that's kind of what you tell yourself. And that's that additional pressure and mental and that fear of losing and trading not to lose. Like all of that is like part of that. And even though I'm not trading all 28 at the same time, it's, you know, it's just that, it's almost that fear of failure. Yeah, you're trading scared. I mean, and I know that's not going to end well. I know me trading scared isn't going to go well. It just isn't. But man, what is this market doing? My dog is having a dream. You guys can't see him, but Ags. Okay. Poor guy. Ags, what's wrong? Poor dog was starting, his feet were moving, and he was like, you could tell he was trying to run in his sleep. That's funny. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Abigail, I'm kind of right there with you. Oh, I need to end the poll. Hang on. Ending the poll. Actually, I'll give you guys 30 seconds. If you still want to vote, vote now. I'm going to end the poll. And I'm going to end the poll. Let's see the results. 83%. Okay. Kind of what I thought. All right. Anyway, I'm going to definitely consider. I'm not sure when I will do it, if I do it. Right now it's going to be, yeah, Matterman, and that, yeah, that's part of that. That is exactly why this is part of it. I feel like, you know, I feel like doing this could get me over the hurdle of trading these funded accounts. Now, the downside to it is if I do it and I blow all 5 accounts, will that set me back? You know, it could. But again, just that, no fear, no fear, no fear, and like, not. All right, looks like it wants to break out. Again, this is where I don't want to take a trade on a breakout when we're trading this kind of a tight range. I want to wait. Maybe we, you know, if we get down to the 813s, 810s, I would much rather buy there. You know, and hold. Hopefully, then we break out when we move. But I think we just hang in there. We just hang in there. Yeah, going in with no expectations. Exactly. Hey, Jamil, are you shorting the top of this range? Yeah, it keeps paying, so you got to keep taking it, right? I was doing that the other day, and then I made the mistake of not doing it on the one move, and then it was the big move. And down we go. Like clockwork. Yeah, the bull flag. Yeah, agreed. Agreed, Kyle. Now it's kind of making it. I'll just sit on the sideline on this one. Why not trade those 5 accounts, different position sizes? I feel like I don't have enough drawdown really available to vary in my size. I mean, the one mini is going to be a pretty big size with a $1,500 drawdown. I mean, all right, pull them back again. Down to the 15s. Man, we keep getting bought up here at the 15s. Tempting here to short. Tempting, but we keep making these higher, higher low, higher low, higher low. I think we'll wait. See what the market. We really need we need to get out of like above the 30, really above 840. We need to get above 840 to be bullish. We need to get below the 790s, 795. Below 795 and above 840 to really be out of this range. Until then, I don't need to trade this. I'll just get chopped up. Chopped up and frustrated. That's what'll happen. Okay, now we're pulling back. See if we can break through the 13s here. Yeah, Jamil, I agree. If you're scalping this and you're just shorting here at the top of the range, basically shorting at the 25s, you're capturing some nice moves. You could have it right here, 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 and now here. It's like printing free money when you're in that scalping the range. All right, nice breakout here. There we go. See if this can hold this trend line. What I'm kind of looking at is this. We got this and this right now. Hello, ES. I do have YM and ES I'm looking at on the right here. Looks like YM is trying to get back to green. ES still hanging out at the lows. Of course, on ES, when we had this big, we bounced right off this VWAP, and again here. All right, I'm gonna be. All right, I'm gonna be setting up my earn to trade 100K live account. Let's see if we can move the market with real money. It's gonna feel kind of weird trading with real money, to be honest. What? Dang it. I need to hmm. I need to do some research. I need to do some research here. I did not consider. There's one thing I didn't consider. So I have to be now classed as a professional trader if I take this account. This 100K earn to trade account. If I in order to get it, I do have to classify as a professional trader. And yeah, I'll have to pay the professional data fees too per month. They obviously haven't seen me trade, or they would not consider me a professional trader. Yeah, then I have to pay the hefty data fees. I have to think about that. The only other option is to forfeit this 100K account, really. Because they don't have an option to go to a live sim account. You have to be on a live account. Oh. Oh, man, I'm not sure what to do. How much the fees are? I'm actually not 100% sure. Yeah, Taurus trader, but I've already done that part. Like, I've already taken out the $3,000, the 50K earned a trade. Like, once you pass the eval, you get the 50K live account. Then you can choose a live sim account. I've already done that. I've already gotten my $3,000 payout from that. But now they're moving me to a 100K account, which means I no longer have a choice. Yeah, Josh 808. So that's actually the biggest question for me is, if I class myself as a professional trader for this account, like, is there some kind of legal issue about that I have to always then do it? I know we had talked about it in the past, but I'm not sure we ever Right. There's some benefits to being classed as a professional trader. Like, you can write off all expenses and everything. Along. Feel like I missed the entry right here, actually. I was not paying attention. 814 right here actually would have been a good long entry, but I don't want to enter right now. Appreciate it though. Yeah, I need to ask my lawyer, actually. I don't know that my lawyer will know. Yeah, doc trades. I have. Thanks, Design, for that link. That was helpful. But I don't, from doing some research, it doesn't appear like I would have to classify as a professional trader for any other prop firms as long as I'm on a live sim account. Once they would, let's say I trade with Apex for a while, obviously if they switch me over to a live account, then you would need to classify as a professional again. But as long as I'm only trading a live sim account, which would be the case on almost all the other funded accounts, then I'm fine and I don't have to classify as a professional. From what I just doing some research, which would make sense. I mean, it wouldn't make sense to classify as a professional trading a live sim account because it really wouldn't matter. Hey, Marlon, you just passed your first eval. Let's go. Nicely done. Oh, once you trade a prop firm account, express or fund it, you are a designated professional for data fees, etc. Yeah, doc trades. That's exactly right. We're going through the cycle. Once you trade a prop firm account, express DL, I don't think that's the case. Not, or I mean, unless you have different information than what I just saw. As long as you're in a live sim account, you're basically classed as a contractor, and you'll just be a 1099 contractor. But as soon as you trade on a live account, that's when you will be classed as a professional trader, and it's a whole different, like, your taxes, everything will be different from that point forward. But I don't think it would be possible for any prop firm to put you on a live account without you being classed as a professional trader. You will always have to class yourself as a professional trader if you're on a live account with any prop firm, unless they're doing some shady things, because technically the rules for a professional trader is if you're managing funds for someone else, which is technically what you would be doing. From what I understand anyway, but I'm not a tax consult or whatever. It's my opinion. But I guess the question needs to be I just need to decide I'm gonna have to run this by the boss, my accountant, which is my wife. Is it worth paying this amount per month to, or do I just sacrifice that account? It's just too bad. And I don't know. All right, we failed to make new highs on this move. Would you have to pay the data fee for each account separately? No, that's different. So yeah, that would be different. The only time, for example, if I'm classed as a professional trader, I can sign up with CME, pay the professional data fees for that, and then I can use those data fees for basically any live account that I would be using. For example, like, I mean, I don't, but if I would have 3 different live accounts, I wouldn't have, like, I only have to pay the professional data fee for once a month, and then I can use that data feed I can use for all of my funded live accounts. I mean, technically, you could also use them for your prop firm accounts, but I don't really see a need. There's not really a need to do that. I kind of was assuming that this would be an issue. Not an issue, but this would be a requirement, but put the trend line back. Oh, see, it is broken. All right. Did you take another short, Jamil? Did you take another short up here? Or are you just still in your short from here? Maybe. Exactly, Taurus. But it's that, but it's also because you're not trading a live account. You know, like with Apex, you know, even with Top Step, it's a completely different thing because you're not trading an actual live account. So you're really just a 1099 contractor at that point. And, but yeah. Alrighty. Man, this market bores me. Ooh. Hold on. Hello. Okay. Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna do everyone a favor. I'm gonna do everyone a favor here, and I'm gonna go to lunch. Okay. So obviously this market is gonna move now. So you're welcome. I'll just come back and hopefully I'll catch part of the move. Yeah, Taurus, I'm not quite sure what you're saying. Because your name is not on the account with Earn to Trade, your name is named on the account. This is why you need to pay the professional data fees. Not necessarily. You have to so in any prop firm, with any prop firm, if they put you on a live account, they have to put it in your name. They have to. And that is why then, yes, why you would need to have a professional, be classed as a professional trader. But yeah, you're right. They do that, but every prop firm does that. They have to. A prop firm can't put an account of real money in their name and then let you trade it. Not possible. That's not true, Taurus. I'm sorry, but it's not. For example, yeah, no, that's not true. But Mr. Pushup, but that's different because you're trading a live sim account. That's completely different. If you're trading a live sim account, yes, obviously. Trade this short. Maybe I do a short right here. No, I'm not. I'm not going to short the bottom of the range. That's a no-no. Not going to happen. But are you talking about a live account, Taurus? I mean, I'm not looking to trade this, so that's why I'm not worried. But it's different. If you have a live account, if you have a live funded account that you're trading, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but I mean, I guess if it's like a New York prop firm, but not like an Apex or a Top Step or like an online prop firm for the futures, what I'm talking about kind of. I guess maybe if it's a like physical prop firm where you go into the office, that type of thing maybe. I mean, I know like the online, maybe the prop firms that you go into their office to trade, etc. I guess maybe they do that, but the Top Step, no, no, they don't. Top Step, Apex, Earn a Trade, Trade Day. Mm-mm. There's just that's not possible, Tor. It's illegal. It's that's not. Hey, here we go. Okay, I need to go to lunch, but yeah. What my email is? You can find my email on my YouTube, but I actually do have to go. I'll be right. I'll be back. And we're back. Well, looks like we tried to sell off and then just right back to where we were. Ay, 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 ay. What's ES looking like? Wow, ES made new lows. ES made new lows on that move. Maybe we need to take an ES trade. Right here at the top of this channel. It's 12. And get in. We're back. Sorry, Jamil. I did notice that. I'm like, look at that thing bounced right off that 80s. Next time, give me a. I can move it down. I can also move it. So I'm here to help. I'm here to help, Jamil. Nope, I did not have any nutty bars. I did not. Had some leftovers. Leftovers from camping. Yep, I'm staying with it still closing. Like I said earlier, when I shut down my stream is when I don't want to do that. That's when things get a little crazy. All right. Oh, we're right back to the 15s. Hmm. Okay, you're in runners now. Let's go. Up 280 on 20. Let's go, Jamil. Killing it today. I know there weren't s'mores. Hmm. Anonymous futures. Your account goes up, down like this market. Yeah, same. Mine does too. Sometimes. Hmm. 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 Hey, Matty Matt. Funded accounts tomorrow. Let's go. He blamed the pink boxes. Ooh, I almost went short right here. I'm glad I didn't. This thing looks like it wants to keep going. Don't ask me why. All right, very curious. See if we get above this 25. See what happens here. Ooh, it's looking like it. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can hold it. Get above the 30s here. Oh, there she goes. Might be a fake out. Could be a fake out. Feels like it wants to rip here. Above the 30s now. Can we get above the 35s? Gotta get above the 35s next. Here we go. See if we can get above the 35s. There we go. It's a nice move. It's a nice move. All you that held long all this time. Nicely done. 840s is now the next area here that I would be interested in, or at least this does need to hold though. Man, it's tempting here to short. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just not one to pick the top, or I don't know. I'm just not good at it. Okay, let's see. If we get to 840, the next would be, I mean, it's 840 and then 890, 870. I could also see here. It's another day of buying opportunities. Just buy the dips. Just buy the dips. Instead, this morning we sold the dips. That was not ideal. All right, looking for a breakout here up to the 40s. And there we go, to the 40s. Wow. Now 42s. All All right. Next pullback, we're going in if we like it. ES struggling with 4,600. Ooh, I see that. Ooh. Ooh, this is a tempting short. Ooh, this is tempting. Right at VWAP, which it's failed twice. Man, I don't even have my